Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use MX Player. We will begin by guiding you through the simple process of installing and launching the application on your preferred device. You will quickly become familiar with its intuitive user interface, designed for effortless navigation. We will also cover the fundamental playback controls, ensuring you can start enjoying your favorite videos right away. This foundational knowledge is key to unlocking the full potential of MX Player, making your media consumption smooth and enjoyable from the very first tap. Next, let's dive into MX Player's advanced playback features that enhance your viewing experience. Discover the convenience of gesture controls, allowing you to adjust volume and screen brightness with simple swipes. We will also explore the robust subtitle options, including how to load external subtitle files to ensure you never miss a word. Furthermore, we will explain hardware acceleration, a powerful feature that optimizes video performance for incredibly smooth playback, even with high-definition content. These features truly elevate your media consumption. Now, let's personalize your MX Player experience through its extensive customization options. You can easily change the player's appearance by selecting from a variety of themes to match your style. We will also guide you through adjusting audio settings, ensuring an optimized listening experience tailored to your preferences. Moreover, learn how to effectively manage your media library, organizing your video files for quick and easy access. These personalized touches make MX Player truly yours, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. Finally, let's cover some essential tips and troubleshooting techniques to ensure a seamless MX Player experience. We will help you resolve common playback issues and understand various error messages you might encounter. Learn how to optimize the player's performance, adapting it to different device specifications for the best possible output. Additionally, we will reveal useful shortcuts and hidden features that can significantly boost your efficiency and enjoyment. With these insights, you will be well equipped to handle any situation and maximize your MX Player usage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.